so many cars behind you, isn't there? Whoa! Fuck. You're going.
Is that my fault?
No, she nearly ran straight into the side of us. Yeah, because there's so many cars behind you, isn't there? Whoa! Fuck. You're going.
Is that my fault?
No, we got to turn left at the lights there, please, come. Lucky you checked. Slowing down, so they're cutting the fucking hell. Sorry, off you go. Nice work. Right, just keep going, you keep going. That's what.
Oh,
sorry.
This guy.
Yeah, so he obviously can't see.
Yeah.
0 F's given. Just carefully hits the front of the car. It's not going to even rent free.
Yeah, after that you're sweet.
Yeah.
There's nobody coming.
It's on the wrong side of the road.
What the fuck's he doing?
Okay. There's a garbage truck there. Reed, just stay in your lane. There's got to be something. Wow. Stay in your lane. There's got to be something. Well done. Just ease off. Just ease off. Shadow the brake. Okay, start braking gently. What the
fuck? That's just 4 free questions.
Yeah. We gotta turn right at the lights there, please. Look at this idiot. Keep going. Did you say the other kid's motorbike passing you on the road?
Pardon?
Idiot. Did you say that motorbike? Keep going. Did you say the other kid's motorbike passing you on the road? Sounds simple. Oi! Keep going. Cut. So when you stop, like, finish in the right of the 2 lanes for me, okay?
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Well done, pal. Off we go.
He played it
So that, I can only just see it from where I'm sitting. That's how far forward I'm watching. Let's just say we're going to turn right. There's a solid.
Just go
Yeah,
through it.
straight through that red light, yep. Gently on that now, he's got to stop in the no stopping to make up for it. He's got to do a U-turn over the double lines now.
Oh my god. What is wrong with you?
Off we go. So we're going down there, okay?
I'll always press the lane in the same. Oh, they'll play. Just open the boot.
Yeah, slowing down, indicator on down.
I'm sorry, but that's funny. Never done that before.
So if you stayed back, we would have recorded that on the dash cam. Fair enough. Dickhead sensors to high. Slowing down, Kieran. Just come around. Ooh. Alright. Indicate. Just come around in there, Kieran.
Oh my god.
It's lucky your car's not coming the other way. Wow. What happened? Car. He should have kept going, yeah? Probably shouldn't have stopped. What? He should have kept going, yeah? Probably shouldn't have stopped. What? Turn your left hip out.
Should I give us a broom?
Guess I'm not stupid since you're the one who's really been. Keep it going, finish out wide. Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah, I did. Let him go over the pedestrian crossing. Good on you. That potentially can be so slippery.
Get on my butt.
Yeah, that's alright, it's a P-planer, what do you expect? Let him go over the pedestrian crossing. Good on you, dickhead. P-plater doing P-plate stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm guessing 90% of it,
Yeah,
you are holding your breath, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep it going. Hopefully it doesn't in front of us now.
I don't wait, she said, and she never did again. Sydney, enjoy Prime free one-day delivery on hundreds of thousands of eligible items across the majority of Sydney postcodes. For your